Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And write a short comment to practice English with us.
Today we are talking about a rainy day. Rainy weather. Maybe a change of plans.
Yesterday, I had a plan. I wanted to go to the park. The weather looked good in the morning.
Sunny? Or just cloudy? What happened later?
Around noon, the sky became dark. Then it started to rain.
Rain can change everything. Did you have an umbrella? Or were you outside?
I was outside, and I did not have an umbrella. That was my mistake.
Classic problem. Sunny in the morning, wet in the afternoon.
The rain became stronger. My hair and jacket became wet. I felt cold.
Cold and wet is not nice. Did you run somewhere? Maybe to a bus stop?
Yes, I ran to the bus stop. Many people were there. Everyone looked unhappy.
Rain creates the same face for everyone. Cold, wet, waiting. Did the bus arrive quickly?
No, the bus was late. I was getting colder.
That is a typical rainy day. Late bus, wet shoes.
Yes, my shoes were wet too. I wanted a warm place, maybe coffee. I looked around the street. I saw a small coffee shop near the bus stop. It looked warm inside.
Good idea. Coffee is perfect on a rainy day. Did you run there?
Yes, I ran quickly. The rain was still strong. I opened the door fast.
Warm air feels amazing when you are wet. Did you feel better immediately? Or still cold?
I felt better. It was warm and quiet inside. I could smell fresh coffee.
That smell is powerful. What did you order? Hot coffee?
Yes, I ordered a large hot coffee. And I asked for extra sugar.
Sweet and warm. Perfect for cold weather. Did you sit near the window?
Yes, I sat by the window. I watched the rain outside. People were running with umbrellas.
Rain looks beautiful from inside. Not so beautiful when you are wet. Big difference.
Yes, very big difference. I held the cup with both hands. It warmed my fingers.
Coffee saves the day. From cold to comfortable. Did the rain stop?
Not yet. It was still raining. But now I felt relaxed. I felt warm and relaxed. I was watching the rain outside. Everything felt peaceful.
Rain and coffee. Perfect combination. Very calm moment.
I picked up my cup again, but my hands were still a little wet. The cup felt slippery.
Slippery cup is dangerous. Did something happen? I think I know.
Yes, the cup moved in my hand. A little coffee spilled on the table.
Oh no, not the warm coffee. Was it a big mess?
Not very big, just a small brown circle on the table. But I felt embarrassed.
Coffee accidents happen, especially on rainy days. What did you do?
I quickly took some napkins. I cleaned the table. I looked around to see if anyone noticed.
Did anyone see you?
The barista looked at me. He smiled and said, "It's okay." That made me relax.
Friendly coffee shop. Small problem, easy solution. Like the rain story.
Yes, first I was wet. Then I spilled coffee.
Rain outside. Coffee inside. Busy day.
After I cleaned the table, I sat down again. I hoped no one noticed.
But someone noticed, right? Coffee shop eyes see everything. Who said something?
The woman at the next table smiled at me. She said, "Rainy days are dangerous." I laughed.
That is friendly. Small joke. What did you say?
I said, "Yes, first rain, now coffee." She laughed too. It felt nice.
Simple conversation can change the mood. From embarrassed to relaxed. What did she say next?
She said she also forgot her umbrella that morning. She was wet too. We had the same problem.
Rain connects people. Wet shoes, cold hands. Same story.
We talked for a few minutes about the weather and about warm coffee.
Sometimes bad weather creates good conversations. If it was sunny, maybe no one would talk.
That is true. The rainy day changed my plan, but not my mood.
Yes, from wet and cold to warm and friendly.
After talking for a few minutes, I looked at my phone. I needed to check the bus time.
Good idea. Rain can make buses late. What did you see?
The bus was coming in 5 minutes. My heart moved a little faster. I had to leave soon.
5 minutes is short. Did you still have coffee left? Or was it finished?
I still had half a cup. I drank it quickly. It was still hot.
Hot coffee, fast drinking. Dangerous again. Did you burn your tongue?
A little, but it was okay. I stood up quickly.
Did you forget anything? Phone, umbrella. Oh, wait, no umbrella.
No umbrella, remember? I took my bag. I said goodbye to the woman.
And the rain? Was it still strong? Or lighter now?
It was still raining, but not as strong as before. I ran back to the bus stop.
Back to the cold air. After warm coffee. Big change again.
I looked down the street. I could see the bus in the distance. I hoped it would stop. The bus was coming closer. I waved my hand. Please stop.
That moment feels long. Did the driver see you? Or was he looking forward?
For a second, I was not sure. The bus slowed down.
That is a good sign. Slower means hope. What happened next?
The bus stopped. The door opened. I stepped inside quickly.
Success. Wet, cold, but on time. How did you feel?
I felt proud. I was breathing fast, but I made it.
Rainy day victory, coffee accident, and bus success.
Yes, very dramatic. I found a seat near the window. I looked outside again.
Still raining? Or stopping now? What did you see?
The rain was lighter, small drops on the window. The city looked quiet.
Rain changes the world. Slower, calmer, even after stress.
My plan changed today. I did not go to the park, but I had coffee and a new conversation.
Not the plan you wanted, but maybe the plan you needed. Rainy days are special.
While I was sitting on the bus, I looked at the rain on the window. I smiled a little.
Why did you smile? It was a difficult afternoon. Wet, cold, late bus.
Yes, my plan changed. I did not go to the park.
So was it a bad day? Or just a different day? What do you think?
I think it was just different. The weather changed my plan, but it did not ruin my day.
That is important. Weather changes plans, not the whole day.
I had warm coffee. I had a funny moment. I talked to a stranger.
Rain created new things. New story, new memory.
If it was sunny, I would go to the park. But I would not have this story.
Sometimes bad weather creates good moments. We just do not see it at first.
I learned something simple. Plans can change, but happiness can stay.
Yes. Rain is just rain. Our attitude decides the rest.
When I arrived home, I took off my wet shoes. My socks were cold.
Wet socks are the worst. Did you change your clothes? Warm sweater, maybe?
Yes, I changed into warm clothes. I felt better immediately.
Good decision. And then? Something warm to eat?
I went to the kitchen. I made hot soup. Tomato soup.
Perfect rainy day food. Warm and simple. Did it smell good?
Yes, very good. The kitchen felt warm. I held the bowl in my hands.
From cold bus stop to warm kitchen. Big change.
I sat on the sofa. I watched the rain from my window. Now it looked peaceful.
Rain feels different inside. No stress. Only comfort.
Today did not go as planned, but I am warm now and relaxed.
Sometimes comfort is simple. Dry clothes, warm soup.
Yes, maybe rainy days are not so bad. Maybe they are cozy. I was sitting with my soup. The rain was still falling outside. Everything felt quiet.
Quiet moments are special. No rush. Just you and warm food.
I thought about the day again. Wet shoes, spilled coffee.
And bus success. Do not forget that. Small victory.
Yes, it was not a perfect day, but it was a real day.
What do you mean?
I mean, happiness is small things. Warm soup, friendly smile, dry clothes.
Yes. Not big events. Small moments.
The weather changed my plan, but it did not take my happiness. I still found comfort.
Sometimes we look for big happiness, but small comfort is enough, especially on rainy days.
Maybe tomorrow will be sunny. Maybe not. But I will be ready.
With an umbrella? Or just positive thinking? Maybe both.
Yes, maybe both. The next morning, I opened my curtains. The sky was bright.
No rain? Blue sky? Sunny morning?
Yes, the sun was shining. Everything looked fresh.
That is a big change. Rain yesterday, sun today.
I smiled. I remembered the rainy day. It did not feel bad anymore.
Rainy days teach patience. Sunny days bring energy. Both are important.
Yesterday, I learned something. Happiness is small things. Warm soup, kind people, sunshine.
Weather changes, plans change, but attitude matters most.
If you enjoyed this rainy day story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple English listening.
Write a comment and tell us, do you like rainy days or sunny days? We want to read your answer.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.